7 o'clock in the morning. We're going up that one this morning.
Hong Kong's most dramatic ridge walk, a reservoir, steep climbs and one peak. This is Drone and Phone.
Well, welcome to a brand new series of Drone and Phone, Hong Kong's toughest walks. We're going to take 5 of your recommendations. The first one, up Lantau Peak via the Dog's Teeth. We've not done this before, and by far the most recommended, right Jack?
There are about 10 people recommended already, just overnight.
Including Dan Canavan, who's right here, who's going to take us up.
Good morning, folks.
Good morning, beautiful morning. Dan, tell us where we're going to go.
Well, today we're going to do the famous Dog's Teeth, in my opinion the best ridge walk in Hong Kong. We're going to go up this hill on the right here. You can just about see the path. We're going to go along the ridge. You can see the Dog's Teeth themselves with that pointed rock and the flat rock over to Lantau. It'll be great.
It's a beautiful day. It's about a 900-metre climb, not so far, only about 7.5 kilometres we think, but it's going to take the best part of the day. Let's get going.
For this series, we are asking what is the toughest day walk in Hong Kong. In this first episode, we start down at the Shek Pik Reservoir and make the steep climb straight up Lantau Peak.
Well, we've just started, and already, if you can see, it's straight up and a long way to go.
Be warned, this is not a hike for casual trekkers and involves some potentially dangerous scrambling on steep rock faces.
It's too steep. Safety first, safety first, safety first.
Dog's Teeth takes its name from 2 rocky outcrops you have to negotiate along the ridge. Both involve using your hands at times to get up or around them.
Well, we've just completed the Dog's Teeth part of this trail. We started down here, the Shek Pik Reservoir. If I walk up here, you can see the route that we've taken up this ridge over here, pretty well up and down, until we get to the 2 Dog's Teeth that we've taken on, one here and one here. It's pretty well straight up, nothing too challenging, but very steep and a little bit of scrambling to go. How's it been for you, Jack?
Yeah, if you're scared of height, this is not your cup of tea.
And a quick shout out to our sponsors as always, the Osprey bags and also Life Straw. They've given us these great water bottles that you can fill up anywhere because they've got filters built in. Now, if I just turn around here, you can see Dan sitting there. How's it going for you, Dan?
Really good, really good.
And behind him is Lantau Peak. About another 300 metres to go till we get to the top. So let's get going.
Once you pass Dog's Teeth, the final ascent is much easier as you join a regular path that takes you to the summit. There are several options to get off the mountain. We chose the long but gentle hike down to Pak Kung Au.
Well, we're just coming to the end of the walk. It was pretty well a straight up to the top of Lantau Peak, about 900-metre climb. A tough climb, but nonetheless quite straightforward. Some beautiful views along the way, and then we're coming down the long way to Pak Kung Au, where we'll get off and go back to Tung Chung. Jack's got a little gift for you, Dan. Thank you for coming along with us.
Yeah, this is to thank our guest, Dan, from Rampage.
And we'll also be sending a gift to the first person on the Facebook page who recommended the Dog's Teeth. I think Jack's going to find the name. Meanwhile, if you like this show and you never want to miss an episode, please like our Facebook page on facebook.com/Drone and Phone. Have you got the name?
Congratulations, Apple Niberto.
Apple Niberto will be sending you a little gift from our sponsors. You'll also find our previous episodes
on droneandphone.com,
on our interactive map and our YouTube channel. My name's DJ Clark.
I'm Jack.
I'm Dan.
And this is
Drone
Drone and
and
Phone. Can you explain what you're wearing on your head, Jack?
Yeah, that's from my grandfather when they were in the South China Sea fighting the pirates, and they were wearing this. It's from the family.
Reminds me of what a fella said to me in Glasgow.